Come test drive the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, running boards, traction control, stability control, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.